Ever been denied credit for no reason? It happens more often than you think. Maybe you got declined for that dream apartment, or that sweet new car loan just slipped through your fingers. Frustrating, right? But before you blame your spending habits, there might be a simpler culprit, an outdated address on your credit report. That's right, your credit report, that mysterious 3-in-1 file held by credit bureaus like Equifax, plays a big role in your financial well-being. It contains your credit history, including loans, credit cards, and even past bill payments. Lenders use this information to assess your creditworthiness, so having inaccurate details can throw a wrench in your plans. Now, let's say you recently moved. Congratulations! But did you remember to update your address with Equifax? If not, that old address might be lurking on your credit report, causing all sorts of problems. Don't worry, though. Fixing this is easier than you think. In this video, we'll be diving deep into how to change your Equifax address, step by step. We'll explore the different methods available, from the comfort of your couch to the more traditional route. By the end, you'll be an Equifax Address Update Pro, ready to conquer your credit report and unlock those financial opportunities. So, grab a pen and paper, or open a new document, because here's everything you need to know about changing your address with Equifax. Method 1. Online dispute. Let's face it, who enjoys snail mail anymore? The fastest and easiest way to update your Equifax address is through their online dispute center. Head over to their website and navigate to the dispute center. Don't worry, it's not actually a fight, it's just a fancy term for updating information. Once there, you'll likely need to create an account if you haven't already. The process is pretty straightforward, just follow the prompts and provide the necessary details. Now, here's the key part. When selecting the reason for your dispute, choose incorrect information and specify that it's your address. Equifax will then guide you through updating your new address. Make sure to be accurate and double-check everything before submitting. The good news? Equifax will investigate your dispute and contact you with the results within a reasonable time frame, usually within 30 days. Method 2. By mail. Maybe you're not a huge fan of online forms, or perhaps you prefer the good old-fashioned way. No problem. You can update your Equifax address by mail as well. Here's what you'll need to do. Grab a piece of paper and write a clear and concise letter explaining that you want to update your address on your credit report. Include your current and previous addresses for reference. Don't forget to include some proof of your new address, like a utility bill or bank statement. Finally, sign the letter and mail it to Equifax's dedicated address for address updates. You can find the exact address on their website. Maximizing your update. While updating your address with Equifax is a crucial step, remember that there are two other major credit bureaus, Experian and TransUnion. Having outdated information on any of these reports can cause similar problems. The good news is that updating your address with one bureau can sometimes trigger updates with the others. However, it's not guaranteed. To ensure complete accuracy, it's recommended that you repeat the update process with both Experian and TransUnion as well. Keeping your credit report squeaky clean. Updating your address is just one piece of the credit report puzzle. Maintaining a healthy credit score requires vigilance. Here are some bonus tips. Obtain your free credit reports regularly. You're entitled to a free credit report from each bureau every year. Review them for any errors or suspicious activity. Dispute any inaccuracies immediately. Don't let mistakes linger on your report. The dispute process might seem tedious, but it's worth it to ensure your creditworthiness is accurately reflected. Practice healthy credit habits. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid applying for too much credit at once. These responsible actions will have a positive impact on your credit score in the long run. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.